Hello and welcome to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks to improve your personal finance, investing, and business. In this video, we are going to discuss YouTube automation as a method to earn money online and unlock your earning potential. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos about how to make money online. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, this method can help you achieve your financial goal. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos about how to make money online. The first step in making money with YouTube automation is to optimize your channel. This includes creating a clear branding strategy, designing compelling thumbnails and graphics, and organizing your content into playlists. By creating a consistent look and feel for your channel, you can help viewers recognize and remember your brand. The second step in making money with YouTube automation is to monetize your channel. You can use different monetization options such as ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Ads can be a great way to earn passive income, but you need to meet certain requirements to be eligible. Sponsorships and affiliate marketing can be more lucrative, but require you to have a loyal audience. The third step in making money with YouTube automation is to use scheduling software to publish your videos at the right time. This can help you reach your audience when they're most likely to be online and increase your views and engagement. You can use tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or TubeBuddy to schedule your videos in advance. The fourth step in making money with YouTube automation is to use editing software to streamline your video production process. You can use tools like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or iMovie to edit your videos quickly and efficiently. By creating templates and reusable graphics, you can save time and ensure a consistent look and feel for your videos. The fifth step in making money with YouTube automation is to use analytics tools to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. YouTube's built-in analytics can provide insights into your audience demographics, watch time, and engagement. You can also use third-party tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, or Social Blade to get more detailed analytics and optimize your content for growth. Finally, you can use outsourcing to delegate tasks and save time. You can hire freelancers or virtual assistants to handle tasks like video editing, thumbnail design, or social media management. By delegating these tasks, you can focus on creating high-quality content and growing your channel. With the right tools and strategies, you can make money online with YouTube automation. By optimizing your channel, monetizing your content, using scheduling software, editing tools, analytics, and outsourcing, you can streamline your workflow and achieve success on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Which method to earn money online should we cover next? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next video.